Okay, installing the Givi TankLock system onto a Kawasaki Vulcan S. The system that's designed for the Vulcan S tank is the BF04. It doesn't say Vulcan S on it, but it is the right one. First thing we do is we remove this bolt, and this bolt. Next, we replace the 3 spacers into the spacers, into the, what do you call them? Bolt holes. Okay. Then we take our mounting plate. The notch there goes to the top. The notch on the metal bit goes into the notch, like so. We line that up over the spacers. We get our 3 Allen bolts. And we tighten them up. And there we go. Everything is tight. Now we just put the tank bag on, make sure it all fits nicely. And there we go. Tank is on, tank bag is on. And now to take it off. This is the difficult bit. I have short, stubby, weakling fingers. Never get it off properly. There we go. So that was a 4-minute install for the Givi TankLock system on a Kawasaki Vulcan S. Job done.